Hello fam, did you guys see this braid? Like it's looking so neat and beautiful. Like I wish this braid is on my hair right now. Seriously, it's so nice. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved that beautiful hairstyle. So first I'm starting with Darling Superstar. But before then, if you're new to my channel, I almost forgot. If you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Osai. Welcome to the family. Please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for always tuning in my videos. For the ones who are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate. We're almost at 500. Share this video to your friends. Let them know and also subscribe to our channel to join this beautiful family. So guys, the braided hair I'm using for this hair is Darling Superstar color 82. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to leave it at the description box below so you guys can see how it is. Yes, so that's it. And I used 3 pack for it to achieve this hair because the hair is long. I used 3 pack and 4. So what we did, the particular hairstyle we wanted to make was not what we ended up doing. She wanted cornrow in front and then big braids at the back, just the way you can see. I've already sectioned the hair in 3 parts. So after braiding the back side, she decided she would just want the whole of the hair braid. Yes, so that's why, and I couldn't lose the hair, so I just decided to finish the look and make it look nice like that. Yeah. So one thing again I discover watching this video, like playing this video, I discovered that this cream I'm always applying, the hair cream I'm always applying on my hand. My God, yes, it's hair cream. I don't know why I'm used to it, but I'm just trying to adjust. I find it so easy to take the cream. Like anytime my hand is dry, I find it so easy to just take the cream from there. So that's why it's always like that. So guys, please just pardon me. I'm still learning to put not to apply the cream on my hand. So I already sectioned the hair, the particular size I want the braid to be, like the way it is on your screen. So you can actually do the same thing to your hair depending on what you want. You might want smaller braid than this, or you might want bigger braid than that. So or same like this, you just have to cut it to your own taste or to your own size. Yes, so I already sectioned the hair as you can see. So I'm just gonna start braiding. But when I'm braiding, I always like depend it actually depends like I said, but this particular hairstyle I did was I started with small portion, taking small portion of hairstyle of braided hair. Sorry, I took small portion of braided hair. I start with small, and then as you can see I started braiding but not too far. I took another small portion of it to be more smaller than the first one I I started with. So I took small braid and then I start filling the hair with or filling the hair sorry with braided hair. Yes. And one thing I noticed again about um colors of braided hair, different colors of braided hair. Like it's nice when you use different color of hair, but if your hair is not like in same color with the braided hair you are using, you just have to be very careful so you don't have like double color since it's not this jumbo braided hair you're using. If it's just ordinary just one color and it's different from your natural hair color, you just have to be very careful so the black of your hair, like your hair color, is not going to show on the braids. Like when you finish braiding the hair, it's not going to be too much. Like you can see, I'm just trying to be very careful to hide the black. That's the natural hair, because the natural hair is black. Yes, and the color I'm using for the braided color I'm using is different uh, color. So I'm just trying to make sure that it's not like the black is not really showing too much, though hard, and it takes much time when you're doing it, but you just have to have patience so your work will come out nice and looking good. So when people see your handwork anywhere, they will say, yes, you know what you're doing. So just have to be patient. Like you can see, I'm just trying to make sure that the natural hair is not really showing. Yes, so you just have to be very, very careful with that. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch and see for yourself. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't say you forget. Yes, don't forget. Now I'm reminding you, hit the subscribe button, like, and also drop a comment at the comment section. Tell me what you think about the hairstyle. I love the color, really, really. I really love the color. I love the color. It came out so nice. Though used um I've not used other color rather than wine, black or brown like color 33 on my hair, but when I made this particular hair, the color, I was so much in love with it. Yes, I love it. So tell me what you think about the hair. Tell me what you think about the color. If it's nice, if you've used the color, tell me what you think. So at this point, we already finished the back side of the braid, and then she made the decision and said she just wanted the whole of the hair to be braid. So that's why it's like kind of cycled and shared into three, as you can see. I find it easy and quick, quicker to cut the particular hair size I want to do before making the hair. I just cut it down and then apply the cream like the way you're seeing. I'm just trying to section the hair, yes, and then so it will be more easier for me to make. And then what you see me applying on the hair is just hair cream and then a little bit of shining jam. So like I said earlier on, I said if you're using a different color of attachment or a different color of braided hair, rather, you that is different from your natural hair color, you just want to be very very careful so your hair is not going to come out of the braided hair. Yes. Why is like that? Why it's better when it does not come out, because it makes the hair last long. And even when the hair is old, you don't know that the hair is old. You just know from the scalp. So that's when you know that the hair is old. But normally you just have to make sure the hair is not showing from the braided hair that you're using, or the extension that you're using to make the hair. So after braiding the hair, I went ahead to use my scissors to trim. Trimming is one thing that you must do when you finish braiding your hair, because there are some attachment that will be coming out from the the hair. So you just have to trim to make the work look very very neat. So after trimming, I went ahead again to put the hair in hot water. Hot water is very good for extension. It makes the hair relax, soft and very nice. So after putting the hair in hot water, I used my wax edge control. This wax edge control, I really don't understand. Maybe it's too hard, because after applying it on the hair, I find it so difficult to to brush the hair or to arrange it. It's so very very hard. So but yeah, after that I use the wax edge control for it, and then I tie it with a tie, and then here is it, pulling it out from the after tying it, I wait for some minutes. Then I wait for some minutes before removing the hair tie, and here I'm applying my spray and everything I need to apply on the hair. Yes, and that's how it's looking like. Yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends. Yeah, this is the final look. It's looking really really nice. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.